In this video, we will once again create content with the help of AI, but this time it will be for a longer video. I'll explain the process in detail and step by step, starting from analyzing reference channels, finding content materials, and finally, the video creation process. So please pay close attention to this video. We begin with the first step, which is analyzing a reference channel to get an idea and inspiration. We can take inspiration from the channel Fun with AI. This channel has successfully gained 20,000 subscribers by uploading only 20 videos, all relying on AI-generated content. As you can see, the longer videos have received considerable views. The most popular upload from 2 months ago received 620,000 views, followed by others with 400,000 and 300,000 views, among others. All this was achieved using AI-generated images, and for this type of content, there's no need to show faces, do dubbing, or add voiceovers. Simply upload the AI-generated images and turn them into a video. So, that's the concept of their videos. Now, in this channel, they use English, and the title is Queen for Edge Country, which means they showcase queens from various countries. The top part features the queens, and the bottom part shows family pictures or family photos from different countries. Overall, the video covers various aspects from multiple countries. It contains various AI-generated images depicting queens from Indonesia, Japan, Korea, and many more. And all of this can be done using just AI-generated images. Though there are also short videos on the channel, they aren't as numerous as the longer ones, so we can conclude that the channel primarily focuses on longer videos. Applause. So this is the video concept pursued by the Fun with AI channel, and we will also follow a similar video concept. Now, you might be wondering if this channel is already monetized. After checking its monetization status, it turns out that Fun with AI is already monetized. This means the channel can earn money from YouTube. Moreover, according to data from the Social Blade website, this channel has still managed to get around 600,000 views in the last 30 days. Given that the channel's content targets international audiences and uses English, it's highly likely that the RPM, revenue per meal, for this channel is above 10,000, possibly 15,000, or even 20,000.
After gaining insights and references, it's time to move on to the second step, which is finding content materials. Let me tell you about the apps you'll need for this. You'll need an app called Imagine. It's an application that can generate images similar to midjourney or Leonardo, and it's available for free. For the editing part, you can use the CapCut app, as we mentioned before. It's an editing application that allows you to turn photos into videos and add various effects and more. So just stick to these two apps for video creation. Next, to generate the AI images, use the Imagine app. Open the app and you'll see the interface. The first step is to enter the command or prompt you want to be generated by AI. For example, let's say our theme is to create images of kings and queens from different countries. Next, you can add some embellishments, such as making them sit on a throne or anything else you prefer. Then, go back to the Imagine app. Now you can simply write down your commands or prompts. For the model and style, you can choose based on your preference. It looks good with these settings, and you can also add high-definition premium for the quality. That should be enough. After that, click on Generate and watch an advertisement, as you'll need to do that to get the images. This is the result of the generated images. Save them for use in your video later. You can generate more images for different countries. For example, you can change the country to America, generate images, and so on. Repeat this process until you have enough images for your video. You can decide how many images you want based on the duration of your video. For example, you might want to make a video with 10 or 20 images. It's up to you, depending on the duration you want. Once you have all the AI-generated images ready, it's time to move on to the editing or content creation process. For this, we'll use the CapCut app, as we discussed earlier. The first step is to open the CapCut app and import all the AI-generated images you prepared earlier. For example, let's say we have 4 images. Next, adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 to get a better horizontal display for the video. Then, use the zoom feature to remove any watermarks and ensure the images fill the video frame nicely. Make sure there are no empty spaces. Now, add text or captions to each image. For instance, you can add kings and queens from Indonesia to the image of the Indonesian king or queen, kings and queens from America to the image of the American king or queen, and so on. Make sure the text aligns the theme of your video. After adding text to all the images, You can add transitions or animations to smoothly connect one image to another. You can choose from various transitions provided by the CapCut app to add an engaging effect between the images. Next, you can add background sound or music to the video. You can find free and royalty-free music in the YouTube audio library, which offers various options that can be used for YouTube content. Make sure to select music that matches the atmosphere of your video and doesn't violate any copyright. If you want to be cautious about copyright issues, you can also add dubbing or voiceovers that correspond to the images being displayed. For example, you can mention the names of the kings or queens from each country as they appear in the images. Once you have finished all the editing steps, you can proceed with exporting or rendering the video. Make sure to adjust the video quality and file format according to your preferences. After the video is completed, you can directly upload it to YouTube or any other platform to share your creative content with your audience. Don't forget to write an engaging description, use relevant tags, and create an attractive thumbnail to make your video more discoverable to potential viewers. Now, let's go back to YouTube. Here, I'll explain the advantages and disadvantages of creating content like this. The first advantage is that it's easy to create and it allows you to target international audiences. Since the content is international and uses English, viewers from various countries will likely watch it. However, the disadvantage is that you might face strong competition because creating content like this is relatively easy. Anyone can learn to do it, so make sure to make your videos as excellent as possible and add a unique touch to make them distinct and difficult to imitate. I hope this explanation is helpful and assists you in creating engaging video content with the assistance of AI. Remember, creativity and dedication are key to success in producing content that appeals to and is appreciated by your audience. Happy creating!